rectangular living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where this is your kitchen area, which has here's your master bedroom, and this is the most precious room in your house. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Provident Basecape, which is located in Kirambakkam, Chennai, a project developed by Provident Housing. And today we are here to do the 3 BHK sample flight tour. But before starting the video, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let me show you the surrounding and neighborhood of the project. So right now I'm standing in the marketing office of this project, and this is the marketing office of the project. And now about the land parcel is just on the left hand side of the marketing office where the construction work is at peak. Now let's start with the project overview. So basically this project is constructed on total 5.35 acres of land parcel, which will be developed in 2 phases. So basically this is phase 2 and this part is for phase 1. So for now, phase 1 will be having 2 towers with each tower of stilt plus 18 floors, having 3 and 2 BHK premium residencies. Now about the amenities part, and this project will provide you luxurious amenities like of here's the swimming pool with deck, the grand clubhouse with all the indoor amenities like table tennis, indoor games, kids play area, the garden area, and many more amenities. Now coming to the location part, so basically this project is exactly located on Kelambakkam and Vandalur main road in Chennai. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project. So basically this road is the Kelambakkam Vandalur main road, and this road will connect you towards Vandalur, and the opposite side road will take you towards ECR and OMR. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Chetinath Hospital in just 2 minutes. Hindustan University is just 5 minutes away from the project. VIT is just 10 minutes away, and even Sipcot IT Park is 10 minutes from the location of the project. So this is your 3 BHK of 1425 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So before you enter, let me show you the main entrance of the house with the foyer area for your privacy. And once you enter, here's your rectangular living and the dining area. So this is the part of your living area where you can set your own sofa set and the couches. And after that, exactly over this side is your dining area where you can easily place your 6 seaters of dining table like this. One thing, they have even provided a puja ghar over this side, so you can use the space as a puja room, and which has a connecting balcony over this side. So this balcony is connected, that is attached to your living and the dining area with 80 skid wooden finishing flooring, iron railing, and this balcony is 3 side covered. Now, exactly in opposite to your dining area, they have provided the kitchen area with the easy access to your dining area, and this is your kitchen area, which has a attached utility area as well. So here's a provision for your machine, here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And you can even check out the beautiful interior work done right here with the L-shaped platform, the cabinets for your reference. And now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So your master bedroom is on the other side of the house, and other 2 bedrooms exactly just behind me. So let's move further towards your bedroom number 1. And this is the bedroom number 1. So you can check out the bed space over here, the wardrobe space, attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose with a mosquito mesh. Once you move out from this room, and exactly beside it is the bedroom number 2. So you can check out this bedroom as well with a huge bed space, a window for ventilation and lighting purpose with a mosquito mesh. And now here's the wardrobe space, the huge one, and with the easy access to this bedroom. Exactly in front of it is a common washroom with a sink place outside, and even inside the washroom as well with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom, but before that, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features in the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So once you cross your living and the dining area, so here's your master bedroom, and this is the most spacious room in your house with a huge bed space. And here's one balcony as well. So this is the sit out area. Let me show you. Let's have a glimpse of the sit out area as well with anti-skid flooring, iron railing. And this is 3-side covered. One more thing to inform you that all the windows over here are the soundproof. Now, this is your dressing area with the attached wardrobe space. This room has its attached washroom as well, with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fitting and the sink provided inside the washroom itself. So now, as you all know, we are here at Provident Housing's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. If you are looking for more details of the project, all is mentioned in the I button. You do not have to move your end there. Lastly, do not forget to like and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.